Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Number 9, relentlessly devour the bitter fruits of uncertainty. So everything we've talked up to now is uncertain, especially if you're a new business, you're just launching a new business. Do you know everything about your customer? No. Can you ever know everything about everything? No. So there's always uncertainty. We embrace that. Just as we embrace the responsibility of the marketing and the business to us, we embrace the fact that there is uncertainty. And that is where we step forward in micro, small, incremental steps. The greater the uncertainty, the smaller the steps. One of the mechanisms we have is the profit innovation leverage rule. With excess profit, we have more money. With more money, we have less fear. And even if we're uncertain, we can take bigger steps because we have the cash to back us up. So we embrace the uncertainty, the bitter fruits of uncertainty. It racks us. We think, oh no, what if I do this? What if it goes wrong? What if I spend all that money on Facebook ads and it all goes wrong? Well, don't spend all that money. Just spend a little bit. Test, 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 test. And then increase the spend as you go. That's the nature of a successful marketing person. They don't just risk it all on black. They take small steps. They ask questions. They ask customers, is this still working for you? What's going on there? And they move forward so that they have some more certainty and they grow their business with the knowledge that uncertainty is just there. It's something you have to just embrace and work with and not let it freeze you into inaction.